I've got some exciting news, and that's that I recently switched podcast hosts to Anchor. Now, if you don't know what a host is, it's what distributes your podcast, which means it becomes available on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, or anywhere else you listen to podcasts. Now, the best part is it gives you all the creation tools to make your podcast. So if you need to edit it, if you need to record it, you can do that all in one place from your phone or computer. Another awesome thing is it's free. I was actually paying to host my podcast before, but now I can host it for free. And you can start making money immediately by recording an ad just like this one. You don't have to wait till you get a certain amount of listeners. Now, if you're like, that sounds awesome, I want to create my own podcast, then make sure you download the Anchor app or go to anchor.fm to get started. This is the Daily Steps Towards Success podcast. I'm Kayla Celeste. If you're looking for a daily podcast to help you accomplish your dreams, you're in the right place. So let's take the daily steps towards success together. Managing our time, which is really just managing our brain, is a series of decision making. I think the first decisions that need to be made is, what do you want to believe about time? Because if you're thinking there's not enough, I don't have enough of it, I waste it, I don't know how to use it. If we're thinking those things, we're not going to get the results that we want if we want to have time be an asset, time be a resource that is for us instead of against us. So the first decision is really deciding what you want to think about time and how you want to view it. Another decision that needs to be made is, what do you want to think about you in regards to time? Are you someone that invests time? Are you someone that wastes time? Are you someone that isn't focused? Are you someone that is super focused? Are you someone that shows up and gets work done? Or are you someone that dawdles around and procrastinates? We also need to decide what we want to think about ourselves. And then it becomes the decisions around the more mathematical things. Like, when am I going to do things? What time? How much am I going to do? When will I stop? How long will it take? What is the result that I'm creating in that time? And then the decisions of following through, like showing up to do the thing that you've scheduled to do. And these series of decisions help us manage our brain so that we're managing our time in the way that we want to manage it. And if this is something that you want to work on, then go to successbykayla.com to book your consult call. On that call, we're going to be able to talk about, what are you currently thinking about time, about yourself? What are the decisions that you're currently making? What are the ones that you want to change? How do we get there? And then looking at working together for the next 6 months so that you can really master this skill of making decisions around your time and brain management. Go to successbykayla.com to book that call. Thank you for listening to the Daily Steps Towards Success podcast. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. After all, we're in this together, one step at a time.